Hi, welcome to the initial setup training for your Pro-curo software. In this tutorial we'll go through setting up company details, adding new users, research projects, sample types and disposal reasons. Once you've logged into your system using admin as the username and password, you'll be faced with this screen. The first thing that you need to do is go File, Setup and come down to Company Details. If you click on this, you will be able to fill out each of these boxes with your company details. Once you've completed this, just press Save. On to the next thing again, use File, Setup, and we come down to Users. This is where you add new users and generally manage the users that will be logging into the database. The way you do this is click on User Administration. If you hover over this, it will turn blue. Click on it and you will have these options. In here you can add users, retire users, view retired users, lock out a user, also force password change and change passwords. To add a user, just simply click on Add User, type in their name and click OK. This will add the user. At this point, you can then edit their rights within the system. Click on their name. If you want to give them full administrator rights, click in the administrator box. Otherwise, just select what you want them to be able to do. So for example, maybe you just want them to add and edit samples. Once you've selected this, it will save automatically. If you wish to retire a user because they've now left your facility, just click on Retire User on the user which you wish to retire and click Yes. Once you've added all the users you want to do, then click Exit. When the user first logs in, their password will be their username. Next, we need to set up research projects. So again, File, Setup, Research Projects. You just click on Add Projects and enter the information. At this point, you will also need to add the approved users. So click on this box and click who you want to be able to see the samples within this project. Once you've done this, press Exit. This will save automatically, so just click on Exit. The next thing you'll then need to do is add sample types. If you go down to sample types, here is an example of a few that I have already added. But to add a new one, just click on Add and type it in here and click OK. You can also remove them by just selecting what you want to remove and clicking Remove. Once you're done in this box, just click Exit. The final thing that you need to do is set up disposal reasons. This would be reasons why you've actually want to remove a sample from the system. So for instance, if it's just been thrown away and finished with, you no longer require this sample. Here is a few examples that I've already added, but the list you can just keep adding to by clicking on Add and then just fill in the box. Once you're finished with this, just click Exit. You have now got the basic setup for your Pro-curo system and you can move on to the next tutorial of adding locations.